Unlock the power of multilingual content directly within your Notion workspace, all thanks to Zapier's translation magic. Say goodbye to manual copy-pasting for translation today. We'll walk you through setting up an automated workflow in Zapier to translate your Notion content on the fly, making your documents accessible to a global audience. First, let's head over to Zapier and click Create Zap to begin building our automation. For our trigger, we'll choose Notion. This means our translation will happen whenever something new occurs in Notion. Now, select the trigger event that best suits your needs. For example, you might choose New Database Item if you want new entries to be translated automatically. Connect your Notion account if you haven't already, and then select the specific Notion database where your content resides. Next, it's time to add an action. This is where Zapier does the heavy lifting. We'll choose a translation service. Google Translate is a popular and effective option, but you can also explore others available. In the Translate Text action, specify which text from your Notion entry you want to translate. You can simply select the relevant text property from your trigger step. Now, choose your target language. This is the language you want your Notion content to be translated into. You can set this to a specific language, or even pull it from another property if you have multilingual needs. With the translation configured, we need to send this translated text back into Notion, so we'll add another action and select Notion once more. This time, we'll choose an action like Update Database Item if you want to add the translation to an existing item, or Create Database Item if you want to create a new entry with the translated content. Here's crucial step. Map the translated text from your Google Translate action into a new or existing property within your Notion database. You might create a new property called Translated Text, Spanish, or similar. And that's it. Your Zap is now set up. Whenever a new item is added to your selected Notion database, Zapier will automatically translate the specified text and add it to your chosen property. This integration is a game-changer for collaborative projects, customer support, and anyone working with international teams, ensuring everyone can effortlessly understand and contribute to your shared knowledge base. Try it out and make your Notion content truly borderless.